Good day mga kabungot, subscribers, travelers, and fellow riders. And you're watching the Paolo session and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided, since for the past 3 weeks now, no, 3 consecutive weeks, wala tayo palso, and we're doing at least 5 to 6 times a week, no, I started to do this sort of fitness journey. So today I want to share health tips ba, no, healthy tips kay kaning naanata sa middle age na nato, no. And actually lapas na gani kay ang kuan ko no karon, ang standing sa base lang sa mga studies ko, no, ang lifespan ko no sa matag tao karon, especially sa nagkalain-laing lifestyle, naano lang sa mga 70 to 80 years. Swerte na kayo makabot gani ko nog 80. So, since I'm at my 40s right now, so basically I can say that I'm in my mid-years na, no? Now, my fitness journey started way back when I was in college. I was on and off going to the gym together with my cousin, si Iman, and we started going to the gym together, no? That's how we... But prior to that, nakauban sad ko sa ako ang kanang kabanda sa una drummer na ko si Roland. Shout out Roland, no? And shout out to my cousin Iman. So anyway, so for the past how many years I've been on and off. Yeah, ang gusto rin ako ato, my my main goal at that time, because when I was younger, daot kay ko. So I just wanted to gain weight ba. Gain some muscle. But during that time, dili pa ni ina nakangilngig ang or ina nakakusog ang internet, wala pa YouTube, no. So it was, you know, we didn't get any kanang information about, di parehas karon ba nga daghan na kayo, di ba? Type lang ka bisag sa TikTok, ina kita ka daghan nagkalain-laing mga ideas on how to lose and gain weight, no. But during that time, way back mga 2000 plus, nang wala pa na, no. So ang imong makuha ra gyud, it's either you go to the bookstore, you find a mga weightlifting exercise nga available during atong nga naa sa mga libro, ha, or you go to the gym and you talk to the gym instructor, no, or kanang nasa, kung kinsa nang nasa, usually ang sa gym, ang reception o ang instructor, na usara ba sa una. So, hindi parehas karon. But anyway, so mo to siya, and I was on and off. And since I didn't have any idea, so ang una na mong nauna-unaan ko, nakiramdam pa ako igaga si Iman na para mo dako, may muinom eh. Because we were thinking, kaning muinom tag beer, di ba, makapatambok ba na. So, guma na mag-inom, mo to mong idea. I mean, of course, it's not true, no? Pero that time, mo to mong naununaan nga, sige, inom ta niya, o mo dako na tagamay, mo alsa ta, which is very wrong, which was really wrong, no? And actually, mo lagi na, in the absence of internet or YouTube, moro to'y maabot sa muna una. Wasab binangutana sa laing tao, di ba? Wasab binangutana sa uban. Basta mao lang to, among na. But for a while, it worked for us, no? Nagsugod-sugod may nato niyan, ninagko, tinod mi, pero at the same time, ninagko sa among gut, no? Our kaning sa flabby part na to sa atong tiyan, no? Sa lower middle sa nga kuan sa stomach, no? So nahitabo, so nilagko mi, nidako ni porma mo mga bicep, triceps, mo mga shoulder, but at the same time nakagain ni og gut. And at that time di kami kuan na to kay gamay pa man, manageable pa man, matago pa ba. So anyway, yeah, wasa kay mi gawon na nang atong mga panahon na wala na mauso ng abs, no? Dili na uso ng abs. Na mga model nga may mo na pero dili kay affected ang tanang tawa ng inana ba. So there were that was a somehow kanabang layo ra no. Ang target usually is ang chest, ang bicep, tricep, shoulder, no? Wala pa nang kanang mga glutes, mga kuan. Actually, ang legs gani, di pa kay siya inana ka kuan kayo kanabang di pa kay siya inana ka kuan sa mga tao sa una. So, but of course katong mga gym enthusiast, no, katong mga ganahan jud mo weight lift, inana ganahan jud og form inana. So siguro sila aware sila na, but para nako in general ang mga tao lang dili pa kay sila inana kanang ka-insecure, no? So, anyway, so after ato, I was in and out, going to the gym, and then, finally, kanang naabtan ko sa kalaay, gikapoy ko, so, mulag nitaas ang panahon nga wala ko ni kalsalsa. Now, I started feeling my age around when I turned 35. No, dito na ko na-feel nga, mulag na ay sudden shift. I was not as energetic, I was not as engaging, no, sa mga activities, because I used to go out with friends. We could go out all night. Kada mga nakita niyo sa TikTok nga when you start when your life starts at 40, unya mo na mga gipamati nimo, nakabangon o sa ka-shot. Actually relatable kinala ko. I'm for sure daghan makarelate na di lang sila mo ko, no, but kana on point kina because I so, from 35 years old up to 40, medyo kaya pa, no? Medyo kaya pa, makalihok pa, dili pa ta makaingon nga nara sa una-una, makasukol pa, no? Maka-jive pa ang akong mind and my physical connection, di ba? O kung maingon laag ugma, makamata pa ko na ride na, makamata pa, walay problema. But coming to end of my 39 years to 40, dito na ako na feel nga, wow, kanang nanagi kausaban, no? Like, di na ko matuyo basta mga alas 9 na, duka na ko. Duka na ko. Nya, nakarealize ko nga, kumunta na ako sa salida, di na ako kahuman, no? Ang salida, kinanglan, inana siya ka-engaging na ko para makahuman ko, para ka nang mupadayon kung tanaw. Pero kung nagailag ang salida, nya, tag-as nga salida, preanang ka ng mga kanang Lord of the Rings, sinana, no, mga tag-as, maluya ko, hindi na ako ganahan mo kayo. So, mo to ako na-realize nga, ayay, kanang lahi na, nanay shift. Unya, nana ko yung mga, slowly, nanay mga joint and muscle pain. Bisag wala ko, wala na ko siya gigamit anang adlaw, pero kapoy, pamaol. So, nakuyawan ako, kining labi na kay hilig sa kita mag-overthink, so libro, tanaw, Google na yun, kung sa mani. But, it all boils down to the fact that I stopped exercising. Not even weightlifting, exercising. Usa sa rason nga nung niundang ko weightlifting because I've read about this in, I don't know, I can't remember whether it was in Facebook or sa Google lang ang wear and tear lagi ko na sa lawas. So, for example, if you're using whatever sports or whatever discipline that you follow, kunya, murag ka ng paninglon kuno ka na ikatiguang nimo. So, mao nang kanang palitan, sige kuno ka kanang basket-basket, nya gumag-basket nimo, mga maligo ka dayon, na imong mga kaugatan, na ba? But, kini lagi because we don't really try to understand more ba. Kabasa na to mo na dita. Mo din na. So dili na ko maginana. But you don't dig deeper unsay cause ato. Because if kabaw ka, like for example, ngano man yung mga PBA and NBA players nga, iguman nila duwa, maligo man sila, di ba? Magkuhan magina ice bath ang uban, di ba? Ano mga athlete, mga sports enthusiast nga kanang nagduwa jud, di ba? Ngano inanam na sila. So nanay because naslay ka nang nahay nag-guide nila nga mo ni buhaton. For sure, dili na nila imuon if kanang catastrophic na sa ilang lawas. Kay di sila kaduwa. Di na sila kapadayon sa ilang pagka-athlete, di ba? So, dili jud na ingon nga nana lang raw lang nga idea imo daw aton niya, imo daw yung i-digest niya, imo daw sundon, no? So, you have to dig deeper. Now, so for the past 3 weeks, I started back because I realized nga pag first gina ko attempt, no, I started 3 weeks ago, maybe niundang ko mga 2 years, So pagbalik na ko, because you know what, I when I was lifting, my goal at that time, aside from my kanang physical attribute nga makuha, but at the same time, my goal was just to hit that I can bench press 100 kg. Mao gina 100 maka bench press lang ko ana. And the practice was, even when I was on and off, ibalik na ko, mag-start ko 25 na yun. Makaya gid na ko 25. Unya mahit gid na ko 100. Nga kahit ang 100 bulong, di na ko ganahan lapas ba. Because my idea at that time was not really to achieve nga kanabang kanang pagpakusog jud, no. Kato ra akong giset nga bar sa akong kagalingon. And every time mahit to na ako, mura ko maluya ba. Pero di sa ko ganang mudungag. Maluya ko sa kung una nga, ay balik-balik naman lang ta. So dili nako, di sa ko mudungag sad. So when I got to that phase, every time mahit to na ko siya, kumubalik ko, it became a routine. When is the wake-up call? The wake-up call is, so 3 weeks ago, I started going back. No, I have my own, murag, kuhan lang ba? Small gym equipment lang. Na tanan, magamit na ako tanan, no? Barbell and dumbbells lang, no? Di mga kinahanglan og equipment if mutanaw lang sa kaon sa mga pwedeng buhaton nga ang imong equipment is mainly ang barbell. Of course, importante sa tunguntang naa, pero if wa gyud, di ba? So anyway, so pag-start na ko, nakalitan ko kay nagkuhan ko kanang bench press kog dumbbells ba. Nabugatan ko sa G's. 10, not even 10 kilos, it was 10 pounds, 20 pounds each, no? 20 kay 10 man per kanang plate. So pag press na ko ana, bugat. Dili makaya. So nakalitan ko. Ayay. Dito na ako na-realize nga, ayay. Na-feel na ginako akong edad. Nga di na gid pareha sa una nga, kung ganahan lang kumalsa, sige, start din kong 25 na yun. Oh, curl ups na ko. Sige, mag-start din kong kanang 15-15. Oh, na ba? Karon dili na. Nag-start na ko, if you can imagine, I started with 7.5 nga load. So that's 14. Gamyan ako akong load, 7.5, 14 each, no? Masa na ako nabantayan, no? Kaning mga muhatag og mga kaning tips ba sa kaniging quad, kaning mag-exercise. Dili sulti kung pilay imong i-load sa imong dumbbell or barbell nimo, no, nga plates. Ay sulti mo ni buhata, bawas sa magsulti. Why specification? So ikaw na bahala, ina na ba? So mo to nakahunahuna ko, and I talked to my partner, my wife, no. And we decided we'll do it together because it's better to have a partner when you are doing a fitness journey. Para lang nako, it may or may not be true sa uban. But for us nga katong naay mga partner, it's really better if you do it together. Nga naman, kana bang kamo ang support system sa usa, di ba? Kung action ka kaluyat, ayaw. Nay mo kanimo, nay mo boost sa imuhang esteem, sa imuhang confidence. Ayun, ma-achieve lagi tani slowly, 'di ba? Inana, slowly but surely, 'di ba? So ingon nga quote nga, slow way is the fastest way to hit your goal. So if you're always checking out the mirror, ay gamay pa mo. You because 2-3 days, 3 weeks, it will not make so much difference. It should be constant. It should be consistent, no? Dili gid pwede nga kung kano sa alang kaganahan. So I always try to push my wife every day. Oh, inani, pero because of her work also, kinahanglan timbangon nimo. Anyway, so let's go back to the weights pa sa, no. So mo to guys nga naka-realize ko, lo, di na ako makaya my weights before. Pero usasad sa I recently went to Palawan, and when I was there, I took a picture with some of my friends while nagbiyahe mi, while naami sa Osaka Island, no? But when I saw the picture, I didn't like what I saw. Kanabang lahi man ang magtanaw kas mirror, no? Kay of course lah. But when I saw the picture and I was with other friends, I realized now, ayay, sagi na akong panit, no? It may not be important for some, but for me, it's important nga ka na bang dili sa taingon nga kana mura ra tayong nagpasagad na lang sa tong lawas ba. So naka-realize ko nga iya kinahanglan ako bukas. That was the main idea first, no. So when I got back, I talked to my wife. I said, "Look at this." I showed her the picture. I said, "Look at this picture," and it does not suit me well when I saw the picture, no. Kay nya akong wife sa ningon nga oh jud kanang gamay di gamay ako ang kanang akong shoulder, akong bicep, tricep, ni gamay, akong arms, no? So, so I told her we should start going back. Kay para sa akong asawa, after her pregnancy, no? Nag-gain man siya weight niya, wa pa niya na-lose. So I said, okay, let's do this. Na akong asawa, now, I'm talking to you, but I'm not doing this in order, ha? Kay I'm not a kanang fitness enthusiast ba. I just went about it this past 3 weeks. And when I even arrived in Dumaguete, the first thing I asked sa katong attendant nga si Mark, I asked Mark, asa ang pinakaduol nga gym? Because I didn't want to kanabang miss one particular day. Bisag asab ako. So I thought, if I can't go to the gym, I might as well run. But I'm not really into cardio. Okay, cardio is important, pero it's not for me. No, dugay na ko ningon. I have friends that are runners, and even my really good friend, no, consider as my brother, si Dennis. At some point he asked me nga kanang uban ta, and I tried several times, but really not for me. Now, so anyway, so now that I'm doing this, there are a couple of things I realized while doing it. First, my body does not heal as fast as before. Like I could do this workout and I'll do this workout tomorrow. I can still do it, but it's not as well performed as before. I'm still, well, now on my 3rd week, medyo kaya na ako, naulilian na ako. Mao lang hindi ko ganang absent. But my 1st and 2nd week, it was a struggle. No, just getting up the next day. I have a struggle to mentally kind of push myself nga buhaton lagi tani. So, di ba? So that's one thing, no, I don't heal as I did before as fast, no. Second is I need to sleep more. Sleep is very important. Actually, sleep should be number 1. You have to at least have, if you can't hit 8 hours, para lang nako, at least 7 hours, no, nga makatulog jud ka. Because how can you expect your body to be at its best kung wa ka kapahuway? Igmata nimo mo trabaho na sa kanya man kuan patay ka. Nya mo gym pa ka. I'm talking about those people that are at the same age as mine, ha. Pero mga younger guys, if you're at your 20s, take advantage of your energy. Take advantage of your time. No, kay kumabot na ka sa among edad, it may not be as easy as it looks. Mo na akong wife, my wife is still very young, so I push her really hard. Kay kabaw ko nga kaya pa na niya because she's still very young, no? So, third is calorie deficit is very important. If you really want to lose weight, or even if you don't want to lose weight but you just want to kanang sa mga nag-lose nag-weight, ha, I'm talking about losing weight here. Kaya ako gutted kay ko inana. So kung gusto nimo bisag dili ka mo lose but at least ma-maintain nimo imong weight, do a calorie deficit, no. The lesser calorie the better. And when you're weightlifting, you need protein. I will never suggest for anybody to do a whey protein. For me, I always started to do whey protein but I could not finish the whole thing. No, I buy some katong mga dagko na mga momrag jug ba nya di na ko mahurot siya, no, kay for one, I am acidic. Yeah, most of the whey protein powder kay acidic na siya. Nasa uban di, but then dili siya. Imagine mo imong utdon kanang 1 glass na kuan nga whey nya concentrated na siya. Whey is also kuan lang kanang disclaimer lang. Whey is good but depends on your liver and how healthy is your liver and your kidneys. very important to understand. Ang imong lawas normally can only gain 50 to 70 grams of protein, no? Inana. If you go beyond that, it's toxic. It's toxic to your kidney and your liver. So it's very important for you to take note of that. Kaya basing pataka lang inom way ba? Tanawon yun ang imong serving. While bata palagi ka, and wapay hit imong, wapay mga kidney stones, wapay problema imong liver, sige, go ahead. But make sure nga, tanawon nimo pila imong ibutang, no? Kay by scoop man na. So I'm not sure kung pila ang per scoop, but that's the main idea there. So mao to siya, no? Protein, less calories but more protein, no? And there are lots of diet wherein magsulti nimo unsay kanon nimo, but much better if naa kay kwarta, go to a nutritionist unya siya may mosulti nimo unsay imo ang angay kanon ug giangay kanon, no? Mas maayo na. But for us, me and my wife are trying to experiment right now mga pagkaon, but mostly gitangtang na mo rice. So we're not doing rice anymore, but we are still consuming corn rice, no? Kana lang. But gamay kayo, mostly vegetables, then meat. O na siya. So that's the reason why I'm sharing this with you, because it's very important as we age. There is a study that I keep on seeing this in, and most of the kining mga gym, or let's say kining health fitness vloggers, somewhat like that, all of them would say at the age of 40 you start to lose 1% of your muscle mass. Imagine from 50 to 1 o wa kay buhaton. They said nga the leaner you are, the better. Yes, I would have to agree, no? Because when you're big, imagine dako ka, so imong tanan nga mga kanang imuhang organs mahuot siya. So maglisod siya function, no? And the number one toxic fat sa imong lawas is your visceral fat, kining imuhang gut fat. They even call this as a toxic fat, no? Kay mo na siya i-exert nga kanang something toxic, no? So that's, you really have to work on your kanang stomach, no? If you're gutted, especially kung gutted ka, kinahanglan mo work yung ana, because para karon medyo wala lang na siya, but you don't even know na while you're having that, it slowly destroys the inside of your gut, no? So you have to work on it. Para nako, it's the most important part that you have to work, no? Now, being lean is good, because kung lean ka, of course, dili kay trabaho, but you're lean but you don't do exercise. I've read this article nga a person that looks healthy kanang will be outlived sa usa ka tawo nga flabby or chubby that does the exercise. Okay? Because of course, one of the way for you to exert the toxics in your body is to do exercise. When you're perspiring, diba? The toxics are living out of your body, diba? So kung naala ka, nag-ida, couch potato ka, or even if when you're working in an office or when you're working from home, and most of the time, 8 hours a day, you're sitting there, you're not really doing anything, you're not exercising, mag-store kag daghan nga fat sa imong lawas. Sige kaon, sa kung sa kanon mo. So I did that for the past 2 years na, no? Kay naaraman ko sa balay niya. I'm always I go down when I'm about to eat. Mga sa akong asawa, and then go back, watch movie, bench kanang kanang movie marathon inana. It's not good. I'm telling you. Kay nga no, if you do that and you don't have kanang, even just for walking, no, you don't even have to run. 10,000 na kuha na sa akong igagaw, no, sa iyang insurance company. They even have this sort of kanang prices ba kung ma-hit na ni mga mark, no? 10,000 walk, di ba? And it's because that kani siya proven gid siya nga one healthy way for you to deal with your everyday life, no? They would not recommend that kung kuyaw na para sa imong lawas. So 10,000 steps day nana, no? So mao na siya, once you start your 40s, you have to be aware of yourself, no? You can't, especially if you're in the city, because in the city it's easy to kanabang mawa ka sa imuhang pangkaugalingon nga hunahuna, no, sa imong health. Whether part of it is your mental health, imuhang physical health, di ba? Kaya nga naman, busy kay ka, wala kay oras, say di ka kaon sa oras, so say na unahon ni imong trabaho. But again, sige, let's say you gain a lot for working. You have the monetary aspect is not a question. Daghang kag kwarta. But when you get sick, of course, it's good that you have money when you get sick, but asa na nakutob ang kwarta. We've seen a lot of people that are rich, famous, got sick, and then wala, no? So, mo na nga gusto na ko i-share ninyo nga while you can still do it, while you're still mobile, do it. Do it. What's the risk? You don't have to go rigid dayon. You don't have to go kanang grabe yung kayo nga exercise nga one day at a time. Do one day at a time. When I started, I did only 3 particular weightlifting. My tricep. I did kanang mga tricep nga I don't know, I'm not particular with the kanang pangan ba, pero curl ups nya katong overhead mga nana. I just did that. And I did 3 times 10 reps, no? Oh. So okay, I just want to be mobile again. And then stretching is very important. Stretching, mobility exercise is very important. Kanang anana lang sa kamot, it's very important. Kanang rotation lang, it's very important before you delve into whatever exercise. Diba? Even kaning mga runners, diba? They stretch, they do warm-ups before it's very important. Nayuban nga, ay warm up, name. Magyapon, dito na ta. No. Para to prevent nga malisa ka, maksidente ka, mapiang ka, mabali ka, di ba? Ma-overstretch ni mong lawas, di ba? So that's very important. Don't don't have this misconception nga ay wato na lang na nako, wala galsa ko, ay kapoy na kayo, wala na, di ba? Now, ako on my part, I try to do it while I'm working on something. I do exercise. I mix them. It's an experiment. I don't know if it will work. I'm not saying. But just recently, ako nang gi-adapt. Okay raman, para gumana ako og trabaho, matug ko, dili ako magunahon na. Ay, mag-exercise pa ko, pero depende lagi na sa kasi sa trabaho nga naa ka. Diba? E di mo ta kaingon nga, what if kung hectic kay mga trabaho? Diba? So, depende na sa unsay mong trabaho sa kay. Of course, usay kung work from home lang ka, diba? Nya, nakay time in between your work, you can try to exercise, diba? You can work on your core. If you're not lifting, diba? Dili na lisod karon mangita unsaon kay naidaghan na sa mga social media, no? Like for example, TikTok or YouTube, diba? So mao na siya, guys. Now, if you're going to lose weight, number one you consider is your diet. That's really number one. No matter what exercise you will do, labi na kung core imong igon, because you have to understand when you're losing weight, you can't choose or your body can't choose asa siya magsugod og kuha or mag-lose of weight or mag-lose of fat. Diba? Di ka kaingon nga complete and flabby imong arms diri, maingon ka nga kanang kani akong pahilison daan, no. All you can do is work out, and hopefully ang result will hit. Mabita nang nay mga specific nga move para makatabang, but it's not 110% nga adto jud ka maigo. But anyway, along the way, mahurot man ang imong mga fats diha. So asa pa man tong mga wala na igo, makuha gito siya. But that's the problem. you can't be specific, or there is no possible way nga kanang maugid ni mahit sa imong target. Ang form noon, yes, you want to have your bicep tight. Mao bitan na yung problema ng uban babae, sa mga babae, no? Ganahan sila maton nilang lawas, pero madlok sila magka-muscle. Kaya of course, when you start lifting, mo purma gina, moton gina siya. Pero mahili si mong fats, di ba? So, I'm still trying to understand that, because even my partner, my wife, no, kanang we're looking for kanang bang unsaong pagtuon nga dili mo gain muscle, but most of what we see kuha na nila matuon na ilahang mga arms sa mga babae niya, muundang sa sila kalsa, pero magbantay na sila sa ilang food intake para kato kung di na to nimo alsahan nimo muscle, mugamay gyud siya. So mugamay na siya, mudaot siya, but this is in theory. Kaya of course kanang wa pa man ni kasuway, amo pa mang eksperimentuhan sa akong partner. So hopefully sakto, no, kay nasa minakitan uban nga na this famous TikToker nga kanaging pirmi siya sa commercial iyang tingog. I forgot her name, and she also shared nga katong nag-alsa pa siya unsa ka tone niya, form iyang bukton sa niundang na siya, pero nag-maintain siya sa iyang diet. Ni gamay lang gyapon, no? Ni purma ni nawaang gold sa muscle ba. So that's it, no, mga kabungot. Kung napaba ko ipuno, na may gusto ipuno, you can comment it from. So again, very important, if you want to lose weight, unaha gyud ang imong food intake, no? Importante kay na sige kag alsa, sige kag paratong niadto ko sa Duma na ako'y nakasabay sa kanang gym, no? Power ka siya, active, very active, no? Oh, share lang din ako ni. So pagkanto na ko, nindot kayong gamit, no? By the way, Lazy Bodies Fitness Gym sa Duma, the best, no? The best. Ang mga equipment nindot kay tanan, di jud mo magmahay kumadto mo. Unya accommodating sa mga staff. So anyway, pag-abot na ko dito, bago ang naslay press dito ba nga ang igo, ang imuha gyapong chest, pero dili ka higda or dili ka incline, ana lang ka, lingkod ka ana, di ba? So kadto pa sa ko nakasuway ato. So pag-adto na ko, suway ko, tanaw ko ba bugat kay gipangdahas mga tao da. So ako 15 kilos. 15 sa pikas nga plate. Kaya ana man ang style sa mga pang bench press, no? Na siya one plate each lang side. Tapos pag ana ko pag duso ginaw, sakit. Sakit kayo. Mura kong sa kauwa na ko, ako lang gipadayon pero namula mo. So mao na mga kabungan, very important. Mao dun nakaingon jud ko nga I need to go back kay I cannot let this happen, no? Kana nakabasa ko atong sa TikTok nga I realized that when I started going to the gym, I realized that I'm not only ugly but I'm also weak. Diba kay pag-adto niya na test naman niya yang strength niya dinday kusog, so murag nato ako na feel ba. But anyway, kidding aside, it all starts in the kitchen, okay? Dieting or healthy living starts in the kitchen. So I know na ganahan tam kaog lechon, ganahan tam kaog baboy, ganahan tam kaog sa panadiya, no? Cheese, mga dairy products, ganahan tam kaog pasta. But you can still do that in moderation. Labi na ning inom, di ba? Nagi mga social function, ganahan tam mo inom. You can still do it, no? In general, nobody's saying to quit eating kining mga comfort food, but you have to do it like mura siya kanang kuan ba, kanang during occasionally, no, inana na lang. Anyway, kung mag-crave ka, okay ra sad mo kaon ka ginagmay ba, in moderation na gid, no? So that's it. Sa katong mga nitan-aw ug sa mga ni follow ug ni continue nga ni subscribe, nakabantay ko ni ubos akong mga subscribers, no? Siguro kay nawa lagi ta basta lagi di ta maka-upload. Daghang salamat ninyo. Hopefully you'll continue to watch my videos. And I will upload more. Ang katong mga videos ato pang gi dissect nyo nya ato pang gi-connect na gi-splice pa nato kay daghan man gud to. So medyo nakasugod-sugod man tag natay kalihukan, natay mga trabaho, so wa kay nato nahimo, but we will. I will. So mo na daghang salamat mga kabungot. Onya please continue to watch and support my channel. Ciao for now. See you next time.